This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look here. We are beginning a new month, and a new month today being March 1st, 2019. We can see how the market is gapping up, but I want to show you how on some charts a change in the monthly view or the monthly charts can actually give you an idea what to expect. So let's take a look here at a long-term monthly view for Cigna, where we can see the market has only been open for about 45 minutes for the new month, and already we are seeing a move back above RSI 50, right now trading at about 50.39. So let's say you wanted to play this long, you can continue anticipating good movement to the upside as long as the RSI is holding above 50. And of course, since this is a monthly chart, this is a play that might take many months to play out. Now, it would be similar to this period here, where we held the RSI 50. You can see how long this took. We have about 5 months of sideways action before ultimately having that swing trade to the upside. It would also be similar to this period here, where we bounced on the RSI 50, which is this period, and it took many months, but after finding RSI 50 support on the monthly, we ultimately would go on to record a nice movement. Especially, this would be a good trade for long-term holders or for institutions. Now, if we take a look at a longer view, so we've been looking at a 3-year monthly. So 3-year monthly. If we take a look at a longer view, we can see how over the years this has played out. In periods where we've had RSI 50 support, this has been good entry. We discussed this one here a couple of minutes ago. Another nice entry level. Again, this is for long-term holding periods. Uniform activity support at the RSI 50 level. Another great entry there. Support here of these lows. Another great entry. So I've added on to the other areas here where we have RSI 50 support, as you can see. We can even go here, same thing, in 94.95. We can even see here in 1991, another entry. So all these were critical areas going back almost 30 years where the RSI 50 gave you guidance. So very simple. As long as the RSI is above 50, you can anticipate movement to the upside. So very simple here, back to the 3-year monthly. Anything above 50 is bullish. Anything moving the RSI back below 50 can be used as a reason to get out. And that's the trade. And the reason being that we've begun a new month, and the monthly charts can dictate the next major move based on whether we find RSI 50 support or whether we fail to hold the RSI 50 level. Take a look at areas where we failed to hold the RSI 50. In 2001 here. 2002 we broke down here. In late 2007, early 2008. So let's watch that RSI 50 for support or failure. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETFs. March 1st, 2019.